Welcome to the Success, Code, and Roadmap video by Nuclear Academy. These images showcase the impressive institutions our students aim for. This video will explore the code and roadmap to achieving success, much like the caliber of students entering institutions such as IIT Delhi and NIT Rourkela. We are looking at the path to joining top-tier educational institutions, including engineering and medical colleges like COEP Pune and BJ Medical College. The journey to success requires a clear code and roadmap, which we will detail in this video. Nuclear Academy is proud of its 250-plus global nuclearians. Our mission is to encourage you to be global Indians and be with nuclear. Nuclear Academy has a glorious history, established in 2006 to 2007. We have over 16 years of excellence, with 3,000-plus students, including over 1,500 engineers and 250 doctors, and 700-plus in offbeat careers. Our belief is that every student has potential. This potential must be identified, nurtured, developed, and encouraged for the right education, career, and a satisfactory life. Our new pattern of hybrid learning supports this belief. Our research and development approach focuses on connecting individuals by prioritizing interest, talent, passion, education, and career. We are excited to announce our new launches and the new pattern for ICSE, CBSE, and HSC. These include Dream Career Batch, Aspire Batch, Career Foundation Batch, and specialized batches for merit, engineering, and medical careers. The code for success involves 6 critical steps: know yourself, believe in yourself, affirm yes I can, define life, fix your target or goal, and finally, taking decision and implementation. The first step of the success code focuses on the self and includes setting a goal, maintaining focus, gathering information, planning, making efforts, and implementation. The success roadmap emphasizes the self through taking a decision, implementation, assessment and evaluation, correction, strong implementation, and finally, achieving success. Proper planning is essential for the success roadmap. This means planning your day, week, month, and year to achieve ultimate success. The study component of the roadmap requires a systematic approach, including conceptual understanding, learning, practice, MCQ reading and practice, and revisions. To stay on track, be aware of major distractions, like a lack of goal, lack of focus, hormones, mobiles, social media, and friends. Avoid minor distractions that include your definition of life, copying others' lives, surrounding people, parents, college, and class environment. The nuclear schedule has a foundation stage, a golden period from January to June, a conclusive period until August, followed by revisions, MCQ practice, and regular tests. Nuclear discipline involves being regular in class, attending lectures well, studying regularly, taking regular tests, doing revisions, being open for doubts, working on weak subjects, and working hard and smart. You must appear for exams like MHT-CET, Neet, JEE Mains, JEE Advance, and other relevant exams as part of your nuclear plan. Explore various career options, from becoming a doctor or engineer to being a techie, business owner, or creating your own path. Your success is in your hands. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please contact Nuclear Academy